Welcome back, Flare community. Happy Tuesday. Today we're actually going to go through the reward epoch cycle. Now, many people are still very confused about this. When you can undelegate, will you still get rewards? All that good stuff. We're going to clear it all up today. Now, we're going to actually dig a little bit deeper into this excellent tweet and infographic here by FTSO UK. And if you don't already follow them on Twitter, please feel free to do so. It's at FTSO_UK. So let's look at this infographic here. So the first thing to understand is that the Songbird reward epoch cycle lasts 7 days. So we start on Saturday at 0841, and this is UTC time, by the way. And 1 week later, exactly 7 days later, we end the cycle and it starts again. Now, during this period, you will actually begin accruing rewards for these 7 days, which is the full epoch cycle. So let's assume that you delegated your votes to a certain data provider here, and regardless of what you do throughout this 7 days, you will earn rewards for this delegator here. Okay? Now, there is something that is very important to note here. So you see that there is this Thursday time, 1441 UTC, and this refers to this period of time here where voting power and delegation lock will occur at a random block in this period. So in reality, if you want to swap your delegation vote, you need to ideally do it before this period starts. So, or in any of this period here, you could do it and it won't affect your rewards. So you can change your delegation, and at some point here, it will actually be locked in. And once it is locked in, you would go to here, which is obviously right back at the start. And then for that week, you are locked in 7 days of rewards based on that signal provider. So let's just read this briefly. So to be assured of being included in the next reward epoch, voters must delegate any new Songbird tokens to their chosen signal provider by every Thursday and at this specific time. So it really is that simple, and I feel like I just needed to bring this to everyone's attention because there is still a lot of confusion about this. Now, you're not going to be able to claim the rewards until the reward epoch ends. So for those who actually delegated last Saturday, you will not be able to claim your rewards until this Saturday. And the same goes for those who are locking in their delegation vote this Saturday. You won't be able to claim the rewards until the Saturday after. It really is very simple, and I would just like to give a big thank you to FTSO UK for creating this infographic, very straightforward and to the point. So, short and sweet one today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.